because there was a tsunami or storm surge, maybe 30 feet high, the wave. Thank you so much, Gion. You can speak in English. I can't read your. You can type in English or speak in English, so we can understand each other. I can't read your. I can't read your words because it's hard for me to translate. I am only using mobile. If you can speak in English, so you please can speak in English or write in English, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you, Gion. I will check your channel. First up, maraming salamat. Are you done with your life? Huh? Oh, Gion is a girl who has 138 subscribers. I will Eid Mubarak song dance with BTS. I can't relate BTS because it's not my generation. Thank you, Madlang people. Oh my God, sila, ano kaya nangyari na kina Tita Gay? Tita Gay is from Marikina. Naalala ko last time na yung bahay nila, pati yung sasakyan nila na ano sa baha. Ano ba yan na binaha, pati yung sasakyan binaha, yung nahumod, ano bang Tagalog eh? Basta nagsank sa baha. Mahirap ang Tagalog. Lalo na hindi ako Tagalog. Putig-putilog. Maraming salamat po, 19 million. I'm about to connect your channel, Jayon. Where are you from, Jayon? May I know, if you don't mind? Gorilla, hello there. Salamat po, Gorilla. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat, everyone. I will check you're done connecting to your channel, Jayon. You got, under the day to tubo ba? Nakadikit pa ako successfully. Oh, you're now 139. Okay naman, nakadikit naman. Tumubo naman siya. Bye all. Okay, Jayon, thank you so much for coming. I already connected to your channel, Jayon. If you're not connected yet, please go like my channel and subscribe. Thank you very much. Koisa, maraming salamat po. Bugala. Thank you, 15 million. Naghahanda po sila kasi may papalapit na naman. May paparating na naman na bagyo. You have so many premieres, sir. Why? I will connect. I will like this premiere. 16 million. Bye na. Bye na rin lang sa ating alaala. Bye na. Ayan, you have. Pero ang tatagal ng mga premiere mo, ha? Premiere in 28 hours. Bukas pala ito ng gabi. Sa, ano pa ba dito? Oh, ayan, ang dami mong mga nakaabang. Premieres in 22 days. Sana all ang daming premiere.